Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to check out these three little planes. Now, I've had a few people ask, which one do I get? Which one do I want? What are the differences? So that's what we're going to check out here. To start, we have the Pocket Plane, the Apron Plane, and the DX60. Now, they are all pretty similar, so let's break down the stats a little bit here. Cost-wise, the Pocket Plane comes in at $105. A little bit more is the Apron Plane, and then a big jump up is the DX60. The DX60 is Veritas's version of the 60.5 plane, so that's why you see a big jump in cost there. Lengthwise, the Pocket Plane is the smallest, DX is the biggest. Go from pocket to apron, it's only an inch longer. Go from apron to the DX, it's only an inch and an eighth longer. Width-wise, the Pocket Plane is the narrowest, and the Apron and the DX are the same width. Weight-wise, as you guessed it, Pocket Plane is the lightest, DX is the heaviest, and heaviest by almost an entire pound. Bed angle, the Pocket Plane is at 15 degrees. The Apron and the DX are both at 12. Now, I don't find that 3-degree difference makes a huge deal because the Pocket Plane is small. You're not going to be planing a surface flat with the Pocket Plane. Iron width, the Pocket Plane is only 7/8. That is probably one of the smallest irons you're going to find in any kind of plane. Then you got the Apron Plane and the DX60 going up in width there. So which one do you need in your shop? If you use a full-size block plane often, or you build projects that need a full-size block plane, then obviously the DX60 is going to be a great choice. However, I did find that the Apron Plane was the most universal out of all of these. So I do want to mention they all function the same. They all function very well. I don't see a performance difference in either of them, but I will mention a few things that I noticed. So in two-handed operation, all of them can do that. The DX60 did really well. Apron Plane did really well. The Pocket Plane, you can use it in a two-handed operation, but I'm not sure who really does. A major difference I saw was the one-handed operation. Clearly, the Pocket Plane is going to be the best at one-handed operation, but you can use one hand with the DX60 and with the Apron Plane. Now, with the Apron Plane, my hands are small, so that one was a little bit more uncomfortable to use, and I would not use it for a long period of time due to my hand size. Again, if I'm only using a one-handed operation. Now, when it comes to a chamfer, you can do a chamfer with the DX60, but I much prefer to use either the Apron Plane or the Pocket Plane to use chamfers. So overall, I would say it's going to be either or. Either you get the DX60 and the Pocket Plane, or you just get the Apron Plane to do it all. Just keep in mind, if your hands are smaller, the Apron Plane can be tough with the one-handed operation. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let us know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a good day.